Hi everybody, this is Jamie, and I come to do a flip through of a journal. And this journal is a little different because it is for Tracy Fox to look at. She did an announcement that she was looking for some design team members for 6 months, and I'm gonna try out. So I'm hopeful. I'm sure she's got a lot of people that are going to try out, and I'm sure she's going to have a big decision to make, a hard decision to make. So she might not even like my style of journals either, so I'm trying to be realistic. There's a pocket here on the inside there. There's a button with some burlap, and this is from her kit called Country Garden, and that's what I named the book, was Country Garden. This is also from her kit. I made a tag with some collaging, and this is from her kit too. And this has just got some journaling cards. This is some wallpaper with a little die cut flower on it, and you can just journal on the back there, and there's some fabric there. And the paper clip has some fabric on the top of it. It's just a die cut with some ruffled paper and some rickrack on some ledger paper. There's also some lace. This is a button with some fabric underneath, a little tuck spot, the pretty dandelion. And I did some more collaging. And there's some fabric there, and these pictures here I found out of a vintage dictionary, and I did edge punching. Doesn't it look pretty from the side? It just looks gorgeous. All the edge punching I did, and put some lace on there. There's a pocket with another collage tag. It's an envelope. And that doesn't have anything in it, obviously. Just some, like a little collage there. This I seen for Mama Cool Mom on YouTube. You can put something in here, and then something in here, and this is also from her kit, from Tracy Fox kit. Got a little tag there with some fabric on top. You could also tuck something in behind here too. You could use it like a belly band. This is a calendar sheet. I used two pieces of calendar paper and sewed them together and left the top open so that I could put a big tag up in the top. So there's a big tag up in there. And then this is another tag I made with some collaging and some rickrack. Some blue-green stained paper. I use food coloring for that. This is another one that's from her kit. Isn't it pretty and dainty? On the back it's got lined paper that was sewn onto it. Just some more collaging, some ruffled paper, some more edge punching. This opens up and you can write and journal in there. And this is also, I like this one because it's a cross section of a, I can't pronounce that word, but maybe I can get it close enough so you guys can see it. But it's kind of cool. I thought it went well with her kit. And this is a beautiful poem. It's called Sowing Seeds, and I just love the picture on there. I copied it from an Ideals magazine, an old vintage Ideals magazine, and the paper clip has beads on it, bead charm, and here's another tag I did with another journal card with some tea stain paper. And then I'll get another one of those dictionary papers. I just love the drawings and stuff in there. This is also from her kit. Did it on a collage tag, and this I found from a magazine. I thought it was cute, thought it went well with the theme. This one I know has something in it. It's got a time. All of the envelopes, most of them except for that first one, have one of those cards in it. Here's an envelope that doesn't have anything in it. I left it for room for the person who buys it, to the recipient, to put their stuff in. And this is a little notebook just sewn together at the top. Some more edge punching. A little banner there. This you can use as a text spot. This is the other side of that, one of those calendar papers with the big tag in the top of it. I'm not going to take it out. I should take it out actually so you guys can see it. But it's kind of hard to get back in from where I'm sitting anyway. So, and this is a tag I made. It says flower on it, and it's got a black-eyed Susie. This was, I forget who it was, sorry. But it was a printable online. Another journaling card that's sewn around, that's backed with tea stained paper. And this is another, and it's got a paper clip with some bead dangles on it. And this is a collage tag using a piece from her kit, from Tracy Fox kit. There's another envelope with a flower I made from some book pages. Here's another collage tag. And this is the middle of the signature, and it's got two tuck spots up here. And these are sewn into the page. And these are both from the kit. Aren't they beautiful? And here are some bleeding hearts in the little belly band here. And I did kind of a little collage on this envelope, and it's got one of those timetable cards in it with a plain back, so you can write on the back of that. Whoops, I skipped a page. This is also from her kit. There's some fabric there. Another one from her kit that I did a little collaging, and some fabric there, and a piece from that dictionary. And this is a big tag. Green Things Growing. Thought it went well with the book. And there is a little bead on the paper clip. And this picture, I just love it. I would love to be there right now on a blanket, just watching the sun go down. I guess it wouldn't be good if you had allergies, because all that dandelion stuff flying around, but it's a beautiful picture. This is another one of those calendar pages that are sewn together. And it's got some lace on the edge. And I think this is my favorite tag out of all the tags that I made. This is a printable in her kit, and it's talking about, what does it say? The Amateur Rose Book. And I found this in a magazine and thought it went well with that, and put some lace on there. But yeah, I think that's my favorite tag out of the whole book. It's a big one. And this here is from the kit, and I just slapped her on there. thought it looked well right there in the middle of the page. This is about dandelions and how you can eat them. Another envelope. And this is another tag that I made. And this is her kit. And this is also a picture from her kit. And it just fits in there like so. Another tag with some blue-green, it comes out green looking on camera, but it's more blue-green than anything. Here's another tag I made, excuse me. Wildflowers for all of you everywhere. That's what that says. Lazy day. Let's get a picture of some black-eyed Susies there. And this tag here, I like this one too. This has got her printable. This is one of them. This is a piece of one of them. And another piece of one. And this is from Dictionary. And I just wrote beauty on there. And that's got a pocket in the page up top with a big tag in it. I'm trying to keep this video kind of short because if I go past 20 minutes, it breaks up and I don't know how to edit. I don't have an editing program. This is from her kit, and I just did some collaging on the back. Here's another envelope that doesn't have anything in it, but it's got a tuck spot in the back. And there's a rose. Some fabric with a stamp on it. Some lace on the page. Here's another one of those tags. It's got some fabric sewn down the side. Some ruffles. And this folds out like so, and it's got a line of fabric there. And then it just folds back up. And here's a paper clip with some beads on it. It's holding a tag on the other side. It's another tag I made. And this is from her kit. This here. And here's another tag. And this is from her kit, this piece here. Did some collaging. I love these journal cards. They're so pretty. And then this one, isn't that beautiful? And we've got a pocket back here. Let's get another one with some tea stain paper sewn. It's got elastic and a hitch post closure and some book corners. This is what the back looks like. Oh, I don't think I showed you the pocket in the front. This is also one of her printables from her digital kit. And I just stuck it up there in that pocket. But there you go. Thank you very much for watching. And have a great week. Bye now.